Yellow lentils. Lentils are a dietary staple in many cultures around the world, providing a source of nutrient-rich goodness and digestive aid. Among the different varieties of pulses, yellow pulses stand out for their flexibility in cooking, their nourishing value, and their digestive benefits. Including legumes in your diet is beneficial for your overall health and well-being. This article explores the many reasons why these should be included for their nutrient-rich goodness and digestive aid properties. Yellow lentils, also known as tur dal or arhar dal, are small, flat legumes that come from the legume family. Yellow lentils, commonly referred to as tur dal or arhar dal, belong to the legume family. They are small and have a flattened shape. They are popular in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines and are widely used to add flavor to a variety of dishes, such as curries, soups, stews, and even desserts. One of the reasons why certain products are so popular is their mild, nutty flavor, which can enhance the taste of any dish they are added to. One of the main reasons why yellow lentils are considered a nutrient-rich food is their impressive nutrient profile. One of the main reasons for their popularity as a nutrient-rich food is their impressive nutrient profile. Legumes are an excellent source of protein, making them an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans. A single cup of cooked lentils provides around 18 grams of protein, which is comparable to the protein content found in other food sources. Yellow lentils are an excellent source of nutrition, providing a good amount of protein to the diet. They are also a great source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Whole grains are a nutritional powerhouse. They provide essential nutrients such as folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are vital for good health and well-being. One of the outstanding health benefits of yellow lentils is their ability to support good digestion. One of the extraordinary health advantages of yellow lentils is their capacity to promote healthy digestion. They are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation. The high fiber content in certain foods can help to improve digestive health. It assists in slowing down digestion, helping to keep you feeling full for longer, and also helps to reduce the risk of developing digestive issues. Additionally, it stimulates the growth of. Yellow lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Additionally, they contain enzymes that aid in digestion, making them easier to digest than other legumes. For individuals with digestive issues or those who simply want to support their digestive health, including certain legumes in their diet can be highly beneficial. Moreover, yellow lentils have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Yellow lentils are known for their minimal effect on blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet, as they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They also contain a high amount of fiber, which helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, they contain complex carbohydrates. The combination of carbohydrates, fiber, and protein helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides a steady source of energy throughout the day. Another standout feature of yellow lentils is their versatility in cooking. One of the great benefits of yellow lentils is their ability to be used in a variety of dishes. Legumes have a significantly shorter cooking time than other types of beans, taking only around 20 to 25 minutes. Freezing vegetables is a great way to preserve them for later use. It allows you to enjoy the same fresh taste and texture as if they were just picked. This makes them an ideal choice for quick and easy meals, especially on heat. Yellow lentils can be used in numerous dishes, such as soups, curries, salads, and even as a meat alternative in burgers and patties. Mushrooms have a mild taste that makes them a great additive to a variety of dishes. Their flavor allows them to take on the flavors of the seasonings and spices they are cooked with, making them an adaptable ingredient in many recipes. In conclusion, yellow lentils are a nutrient-rich food that offers several health benefits. In conclusion, this food is nutrient-rich and provides several health benefits. Legumes are a beneficial food group that offers a range of nutritional benefits. They are a good source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable component of any diet. Yellow lentils have properties that make them an excellent choice for those looking to support their digestive health and regulate their blood sugar levels. They are low on the glycemic index and also help to aid digestion. Incorporating legumes into your diet is an easy way to increase your nutrient intake and benefit your overall health. With their short cooking time and versatility, yellow lentils are a great addition to any meal.